Hey there, fellow investors. Let's talk SoFi, the personal finance disruptor that's been making waves. Now I know what you're thinking. SoFi's stock took a hit recently, but hold your horses. This isn't the time to panic. Remember, we're long-term investors here. We don't get spooked by short-term fluctuations. Instead, we see opportunity where others see fear. And trust me, SoFi is brimming with opportunity. This recent dip, just a blip on the radar, a temporary setback that doesn't change the underlying strength of this company. In fact, I think it's created a golden opportunity to buy into a future winner at a discount. So, what caused this dip? Was it some catastrophic event that shattered SoFi's foundation? Absolutely not. The culprit was short-term guidance that fell short of Wall Street's lofty expectations. Yes, you heard that right. SoFi dared to be a tad conservative in its projections, and the market threw a tantrum. But here's the thing, short-term guidance is just that, short-term. It's a snapshot in time, not a crystal ball predicting the future. SoFi's fundamentals remain rock solid. This is a company with a proven track record, a loyal customer base, and a massive market opportunity. Don't let a few jittery analysts scare you away from a long-term winner. Let's break down SoFi's business, shall we? This isn't your grandpa's bank. SoFi is a fintech powerhouse with three main segments: lending, technology platform, and financial services. First up, lending. Yes, loan growth has slowed a bit and revenue dipped. But that's to be expected in the current economic climate. Interest rates are up and consumers are being a bit more cautious. But guess what? SoFi is still growing its loan volume and its credit quality remains top-notch. Next, we have the technology platform segment. This is where SoFi really shines. They're raking in customers with their user-friendly app and innovative products. Profit margins are expanding, and this segment is poised for explosive growth. And last but not least, financial services. This segment is firing on all cylinders with revenue skyrocketing. SoFi is offering everything from checking and savings accounts to investing and cryptocurrency trading. They're a one-stop shop for all things personal finance, and consumers are loving it. Now let's talk about SoFi's management team. These folks are sharp, strategic, and they're playing the long game. They're taking a conservative approach to lending, focusing on high-quality borrowers. They're not chasing risky loans just to boost short-term profits. That's the kind of discipline I like to see. And speaking of strategy, SoFi has been making some savvy acquisitions. They snapped up Galileo, a leading fintech infrastructure provider, and Technisys, a cloud-native core banking platform. These acquisitions are game changers, giving SoFi a technological edge and expanding their reach into new markets. So, why am I so bullish on SoFi? It's simple. They're building a financial powerhouse for the digital age. They've got a diversified business model, a loyal customer base, and a management team that's laser-focused on growth. Their loan portfolio is the envy of the industry, packed with high-quality borrowers who are less likely to default. And their future earnings projections, they're through the roof. Analysts are expecting explosive growth in the coming years, and I'm inclined to agree. Section 6, SoFi versus the FinTech pack, poised for outperformance. Now, let's compare SoFi to its fintech peers. Some say the competition's heating up, but you know what? I say bring it on. SoFi is a different breed. They're not just a lender. They're not just a tech company. They're a complete financial ecosystem. They're going head-to-head with the big banks, and they're winning. They're attracting millennials and Gen Z customers who are ditching their traditional banks for SoFi's innovative products and seamless digital experience. Section 7, Navigating the Risks, a Realistic Outlook. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. There are risks to consider with any investment, and SoFi is no exception. The economy could take a turn for the worse. Growth could slow. Institutional investors could get spooked and sell their shares, but you know what? These risks are baked into the current stock price. And let's be honest, every company faces risks. It's how they navigate those risks that separates the winners from the losers, and I'm betting on SoFi to come out on top. Section 8, the SoFi story, long-term growth, undeterred potential. The SoFi story is just beginning. They're disrupting a massive industry, and they're just getting started. They're growing their customer base, expanding their product offerings, and building a brand that resonates with consumers. This recent stock dip, it's just a bump in the road, a temporary setback that creates a golden opportunity for savvy investors like us. Don't let short-term noise drown out the long-term potential of this incredible company. Section 9, don't miss the boat. SoFi is a buy, so there you have it. SoFi, a buying opportunity you don't want to miss. This is a company with a bright future, and I'm betting big on their continued success. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor, so do your own research before investing. But trust me, SoFi is a company worth taking a closer look at. Now go out there and make some money.